No, you have to snap it like this, and I say, no, Daddy, no. You fucking moron. Stop, that really hurt.
Do it, do it.
Oh!
Come on, do it.
I don't want to hit him in the face.
No, stop.
Say it, no, Daddy.
No, Daddy, no. No more. Dude, that really hurts.
Dude, you just call your dad a dude?
Okay, stop it. Stop it. Ah!
Now, boy, don't you cry now. You be a man. You stand up for yourself right now.
No more. Randolph, stop. I'll fucking beat you with this hockey
No,
stick.
you won't. Give me that fucking hug. Give me that hockey stick. Give me that one too.
No.
Okay.
No, bro, stop. Please, buzz out. Bro, I can't yell. I'm gonna yell and look at my roommates.
Boy, is that any way to talk to your elders?
Give me that hockey stick. Okay.
Yeah.
Dude, are you stupid? Stop it. Mike, that almost hit my face, bro. Mike. Fucking stop it, Mike. Okay, Mike.
So you like that? Let me like that for you while you beat him.
Hey, no. Stop, Mike. No, Mike. Randolph, you fucking Russian.
Russian. Get the geography right, please.
No. Ow. Oh.
How's that butt? How's that butt?
Hey, can you stop?
Good.
Hey, can you